Welcome to MG World. Today, we're diving deep into space to uncover 10 mind-blowing facts about the universe. Get ready to have your mind expanded beyond imagination. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, the universe is full of mysteries. We yearn to understand our place in the grand cosmic tapestry. And while our journey is just beginning, we've already made incredible discoveries that challenge our understanding of the universe. So buckle up and prepare for liftoff as we explore the most amazing, awe-inspiring, and downright unbelievable facts about the cosmos. Let's start with a fact that has baffled scientists for years. The universe isn't just expanding, it's expanding at an accelerating rate. Imagine a loaf of raisin bread baking in the oven. As the bread rises, the raisins within it spread farther and farther apart. That's kind of like what's happening to the universe. But here's where it gets really weird. In the cosmic loaf of bread, the raisins are speeding away from each other at an ever-increasing pace. This acceleration is one of the most profound mysteries in modern cosmology. It's as if some unseen force is pushing the universe apart, driving the galaxies further and further into the void. We call this enigmatic force dark energy. Dark energy makes up roughly 68% of the universe's total energy density. The vast majority of the universe is made up of something we don't understand, a force that defies our current understanding of physics. The accelerating expansion of the universe has profound implications for its fate. Did you know that there's a massive, mysterious force pulling everything in our region of the universe towards it? It's like a cosmic magnet, drawing galaxies together across hundreds of millions of light years. We call it the Great Attractor. Imagine a vast, invisible hand reaching out from the depths of space, its grip on our galaxy undeniable. We can't see the Great Attractor directly, but even though it's hidden from our view, we can see its influence everywhere we look. The Milky Way and its neighboring galaxies are all moving towards the Great Attractor at incredible speeds. Black holes are the ultimate cosmic enigmas, regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. They are born from the death throes of massive stars, collapsing under their own weight until they vanish into points of infinite density called singularities. But what would happen if you were to fall into a black hole? Well, let's just say it wouldn't be pretty. As you approach the black hole, the difference in gravitational pull between your head and your feet would become increasingly extreme. You would feel yourself being stretched like a piece of cosmic taffy. This stretching force, known as spaghettification, would continue to intensify as you drew closer to the singularity. Your body would be elongated into a long, thin strand, resembling a noodle falling into a black hole. These cosmic behemoths warp the fabric of space-time, bending the laws of physics as we know them. Our universe is ancient, 13.8 billion years old to be exact. To put that into perspective, if you compress the entire history of the universe into a single year, humans would have only appeared in the last few hours of December 31st. But let's rewind the cosmic clock back to the very beginning, to a time when the universe was an infinitesimally small point of unimaginable density and temperature. This point, known as a singularity, contained all the matter and energy that would eventually make up everything we see around us. Then, in a cataclysmic event that we call the Big Bang, the universe exploded into existence, expanding and cooling rapidly. Within fractions of a second, the fundamental forces of nature separated and the first elementary particles began to form. Think about this the next time you're at the beach, digging your toes into the warm sand. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches of Earth combined. Let that sink in for a moment. The sheer vastness of the cosmos is almost impossible to comprehend. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, contains hundreds of billions of stars, and it's just one of trillions of galaxies in the observable universe. Each of these galaxies is a sprawling metropolis of stars, gas, dust, and planets, all bound together by gravity. And within each star system, there may be planets, moons, asteroids, and comets, each a unique world unto itself. Astronomers estimate that there are roughly 100 billion trillion stars in the observable universe. In a universe teeming with so many stars, it's hard to imagine that we're alone. Imagine a planet where the surface glitters with diamonds. It sounds like something out of a science fiction novel, but astronomers believe that such a planet may actually exist. 55 Cancri E is an exoplanet, a planet that orbits a star other than our Sun. It's located about 40 light-years from Earth in the constellation Cancer. What makes this planet so special is its composition. 55 Cancri E is a super-Earth, a planet that's larger and more massive than Earth, but smaller than Neptune. But unlike Earth, which is composed primarily of rock and metal, 55 Cancri E is thought to be made largely of carbon. And under the extreme pressure and heat deep within the planet's interior, this carbon could crystallize into a giant diamond. The universe is not a static, unchanging place. It's constantly expanding, with galaxies rushing away from each other like cosmic surfers riding the waves of space-time. And as we look deeper into space, we're also looking back in time. The light from distant galaxies has taken billions of years to reach us, so we're seeing these galaxies as they were billions of years ago. The farthest thing we've ever observed is a galaxy called GNZ 11, which is 13.4 billion light-years away. We're seeing this galaxy as it was just 400 million years after the Big Bang, a time when the first stars and galaxies were just beginning to form. Not all planets have a star to call home. Rogue planets, also known as interstellar planets or free-floating planets, are planets that drift through space, unbound to any star. They are cosmic orphans, cast adrift from their parent stars by gravitational interactions or other celestial events. These lonely wanderers could number in the billions, silently traveling through the dark void of space. They are invisible to most telescopes as they do not emit their own light and are often obscured by the dust and gas of interstellar space. But astronomers have developed ingenious methods for detecting these elusive worlds. One method involves searching for the subtle gravitational effects that rogue planets have on background stars. These discoveries suggest that rogue planets may be incredibly common, perhaps even outnumbering the stars in our galaxy. Here's a mind-bender. Venus takes longer to rotate on its axis than it does to orbit the Sun. This means a single day on Venus is longer than its entire year. Imagine celebrating your birthday every day on this scorching, hot planet. Venus rotates incredibly slowly, taking 243 Earth days to complete a single rotation. And to make matters even more unusual, Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most other planets in our solar system. This means that on Venus, the Sun would rise in the west and set in the east. Astronomers believe that this unusual rotation may be the result of a giant impact early in the planet's history. Here's a fact that's truly mysterious. Everything we see, stars, planets, galaxies, makes up just 5% of the universe. The rest is dark matter and dark energy, mysterious substances that we can't see or detect directly, but whose presence is inferred from their gravitational effects on visible matter. Dark matter doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light, making it invisible to our telescopes. However, we know it exists because of its gravitational pull on galaxies and galaxy clusters. Without dark matter, galaxies would fly apart due to their own rotation speeds. Dark energy, on the other hand, is a mysterious force that is causing the expansion of the universe to accelerate. Together, dark matter and dark energy make up 95% of the universe. The universe is full of wonders that are beyond our wildest imagination. From diamond planets to invisible forces that shape the cosmos, we've only just begun to scratch the surface of what's out there. If you enjoyed this journey through space, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to MG World for more mind-blowing content. Let us know in the comments which fact amazed you the most. Keep looking up at the stars and never stop exploring the wonders of the universe.